Hi guys! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today we will make the trending Leche Flan banana cake. Are you ready? Let's get baking! For the banana cake, we will need 3 pieces of medium ripe bananas, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1½ cup of cake flour, ½ cup of melted unsalted butter, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the leche flan, we will need 6 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, 3/4 cup of fresh milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the caramel, we will need 1 cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of water. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a jug, combine the white sugar, and water, and give it a stir, and microwave this on high for about 5 to 6 minutes or until the caramel color is achieved. Pour the caramel in an 8 inches baking pan and set this aside. In a bowl, add the condensed milk, fresh milk, egg yolks, and vanilla extract. Mix them together until well combined. Now, pour the leche flan mixture over the caramel and make sure to sift it. By the way, I've let the caramel sit for about 5 minutes. In another bowl, add the bananas, and mash it using a potato masher, or you can use a fork or blitz it in a blender. Then, add the brown sugar, melted butter, eggs, vanilla extract, and mix them together. Then, sift the flour, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, and baking soda. Mix them together until well combined. Then, set this aside. In another bowl, pour the egg whites and beat it until it becomes frothy. Then, add the white sugar and continue beating until stiff peaks are achieved. Now, pour the banana cake mixture and fold them together. Then, gently pour the cake mixture on top of the leche flan. And put the baking pan in a baking tray and pour some water for the bain-marie. Then bake this in a preheated oven of 160 degrees Celsius for about 70 to 80 minutes, and halfway through the baking, cover the top with aluminum foil to prevent the top from burning. After baking, let it cool for at least 1 hour before transferring it into a plate. And here's our finished product! This leche flan banana cake is so good and the perfect combination of creamy leche flan and moist banana cake. I hope you'll give this a try. And this is what it looks like inside. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!